bitch is finally in the Bronx. I'm so happy. I'm ending this vlog right here. We officially spent like fucking 24 hours on the road. We left at like 6. It's now 5:18. And I'm probably gonna get home at like 4:30 or 5, basically 6. So 24 hours. I'll be posting this vlog when I wake up. Probably 5 in the afternoon.